Welcome to ACB Concepts. Advanced Concrete Basic Concepts welcomes you. Do you know subtraction of integers? How to subtract the two integers? Today in this video we are going to learn the subtraction of integers of same sign and that subtraction of integers of different sign. Let us learn now. Before going to learn about the subtraction of integers, we should know about additive inverse. What is that additive inverse? Let us learn now. For example, I am taking here plus 3. What is the additive inverse of plus 3? What is the additive inverse of plus 3? Additive means plus. Here dash is equal to how much we should add to plus 3 to get 0. How much we should add to plus 3 to get 0. Here how much we should add? Minus 3. If you add the minus 3 to plus 3, you will get that result is 0. Similarly, I am taking another number minus 4. What is the additive inverse of minus 4? What is the additive inverse of minus 4? How much we need to add to minus 4? How much we need to add here to minus 4 to get 0? So we should add here. That is plus 4. By adding plus 4 to minus 4, you will get that 0. So here minus 4 is the additive inverse of plus 4 and plus 4 is the additive inverse of minus 4. Both minus 4 and plus 4 are additive inverse of each other because if you add that both, you will get that 0 as a result. Okay, I am taking that plus a. So what is the additive inverse of plus a? So write here plus and dash is equal to 0. How much we should add to plus a to get result 0? How much we should add to plus a to get 0? Here answer is minus a. So here plus a minus a both are additive inverse of each other. So additive inverse of plus a is minus a and additive inverse of minus a is plus a. Now we have learned about that additive inverse. Now what is the need of additive inverse here? We are going to make that subtraction of integers. While doing the subtraction of integers, we should know that additive inverse. Why do we need that additive inverse here? So subtraction is nothing but plus additive inverse. Subtraction is nothing but additive inverse. For example, 2 minus 3. So here subtraction. Here what is there? This is subtraction minus. This subtraction is nothing but 2 plus, instead of writing subtraction, 2 plus additive inverse of 3. So this subtraction is equal to this is. So subtraction is indicate that that implies 2 plus additive inverse of 3 is minus 3. So here answer is different sign are there, here plus 2 and here minus 3. So adding that two integers of different sign, put the sign of big number and write the difference. Here is the answer is 1. So subtraction is nothing but that is equal to plus additive inverse plus additive inverse. Let us take one more example, that is 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7. So 10, instead of writing the subtraction minus, so instead of minus we have to write that plus additive inverse of what is there, 7. So instead of minus, instead of subtraction, we are writing this here. Instead of minus, instead of subtraction, we are writing here, instead of this subtraction, we are writing here plus additive inverse of. So that is equal to plus additive inverse of 10 plus additive inverse of 7 minus 7. So that means plus 10 plus minus 7. So both are different in sign. So that write the sign of big number plus and write the difference 3. Here also 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Both answers are equal. So finally we conclude that, finally we are saying that subtraction or minus is nothing but plus additive inverse. Subtraction or minus is nothing but plus additive inverse. Now make the subtraction of two integers. I am taking that two integers of same sign. In previous example, plus 3 and plus 7. So minus 3 and minus 7. Plus 3 plus 7, minus 3 minus 7. Now I am going to make subtraction. Here put minus, here also put minus. What is the answer? What is the answer? So here same what I am saying that, here what I am saying that plus 3, instead of writing, instead of subtraction, instead of minus, what we have to write that plus additive inverse of plus additive inverse of, here what is there, okay, this minus is nothing but plus additive inverse of, here what is there, 7 is there, again now write that plus 3 plus additive inverse of 7, what is that, minus 7. Here both are a different sign, so that put the sign of big number and write the difference, here 4. Again do this one. So I am writing that minus 3, second one minus 3. So instead of writing minus, what we have to write? So instead of minus, write that here plus additive inverse, plus additive inverse, plus additive inverse of minus 7. So here minus 3 plus additive inverse of minus 7 plus 7. So both are different sign. So both integers are different sign. Put the sign of big number plus and write the difference 4. Like this we have to make the subtraction of integers by using the concept of additive inverse. Now we are making the subtraction of integers of different sign, so that integers have the different sign, same as here I am taking that plus 3, here I am taking that minus 7, here I am taking that Here I am taking that minus 3 and plus 7. Now we are going to make the subtraction. Here put that minus, here also put that minus. So what is the result? What is the result? Here plus 3 minus 7, that two integers have different sign. In that time what we have to do to make the subtraction? Same thing. So here writing that plus 3 as it is, and instead of minus we have to write that plus 82 inverse plus 82 inverse plus 82 inverse. Here of what is there? Minus 7 is there. So that is equal here plus 3 plus 82 inverse of minus 7 plus 7. So both have the same sign, so that put that sign and add the two numbers. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Come to here. Here also same as minus 3. So instead of minus what you will write that? Plus 82 inverse of plus 7. So here minus 3 plus 82 inverse of plus 7 minus 7. Here both are having the same sign. Put that sign and add that. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Okay, till now we have learned about subtraction of integers of same sign and subtraction of integers of different sign. Okay, let us try some examples. Subtract minus 4 from minus 10. So we have to subtract minus 4 from minus 10. So first write that minus 10 first. Minus 10, subtract minus and minus 4. So what is the answer? Subtracting that minus 4 from minus 10. So that write minus 10 first. Minus 10 minus subtraction and of minus 4. So as it is I am writing that minus 10 I am writing as it is, and instead of minus what you have to write? Instead of minus just write that plus 82 inverse plus 82 inverse. 82 inverse of how much is there? Minus 4 is there. So minus 10, so plus 82 inverse of minus 4 plus 4. So integers of different sign, put the sign of big number minus and that write the difference 6. Minus 6 is the answer. Okay, fine. Minus 7, minus 8, minus of minus 25. Find the value of this. So writing the answer, I am writing that minus 7 as it is, minus as it is, 8, and here instead of minus, this minus I am writing that plus 82 plus 82 inverse of minus 25. Okay, so minus 1 as it is, minus 8 plus 82 inverse of minus 25, that is plus 25 plus 25. 82 inverse of minus 25 plus 25. Okay, minus 7 I am writing 82 inverse for this minus. Instead of minus this minus I am writing that plus 82 inverse of 8 plus 25. So minus 7 plus 80 inverse of 8 minus 8 plus 25. So here these are same sign, so that put that sign and add that 8 plus 7 15. 15 plus 25. So both are different sign, so that put the sign of big number, that is plus, write the difference of 25 and 15, that is 10. Plus 10 is the answer. Minus 13 plus 32 minus 8 minus 1. So here write that minus 13, okay, plus 32. So plus 32 here, plus 32 is the natural number and it can be write as a positive integer. Here also 8 is a natural number, it can be write as positive integer. Minus and 1 is a natural number, it can be write as plus 1. So minus 13 plus 32, I am taking these two. Here in between plus is there and different sign is there. So put the sign of big number 32, its sign is plus, and write the difference of 32 and 13 is 19. Okay, next plus 8, next plus 1. So here plus 19, okay, instead of writing, instead of minus, I am writing that 82 plus 82 inverse of plus 8. Again, instead of minus, putting that plus 82 inverse of plus 1. Now write plus 19, 82 plus 82 inverse of plus 8 minus 8 plus 82 inverse of plus 1 is minus 1. So plus 19 plus, here these two integers having the same sign, put that sign and add the two numbers, 8 plus 1, 9. So these two integers are different in sign, put the sign of big number, that is plus, and write the difference, 19, 9, difference is 10. This is the answer. Find 50 minus of minus 40 minus of minus 2. So how do you find this value? Okay, 50, instead of minus I am writing that 82 inverse of minus 40. So instead of this minus, again writing plus 82 inverse of minus 2. 50 plus 82 inverse of minus 40 plus 40 plus 82 inverse of minus 2 plus 2. So here also plus 50, here also plus 40, here also plus 2. So all have the same sign, that is plus, so that put that sign and add that numbers without sign. 50 plus 40, 90, 90 plus 2 is equal to 92. 92 is the answer. ACB concepts, advanced concrete basic concepts, welcomes you. Do you know subtraction of integers? Yes. Today in this video we are going to learn the subtraction of integers of same sign and the subtraction of integers of different sign. So how to subtract the integers of same sign and how to subtract the integers of different sign. Let us learn now.